Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best educational videos for kids. Today's video is very special because it is on the top 6 learning videos for toddlers. We know how important this age is in a child's life as they learn so much during these years that will help them later on. So we want to provide quality content that will help them learn in a fun way. These videos have been carefully selected by our team of educators who understand what toddlers need to learn and how to make it fun and engaging. Now let's get started with the first video. Alphabet Train is an exciting and interactive way for toddlers to learn their ABCs. With its catchy tunes and colorful animation, this video makes learning the alphabet fun and easy for kids. The songs are designed to be sung along with actions that help children remember each letter. As the train chugs along, kids will learn the sound each letter makes while also seeing objects that start with that letter. This helps to reinforce their learning and make it more memorable. Plus, the repetition of the songs makes it easy for toddlers to sing along and learn the alphabet in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and effective way to teach your toddler their ABCs, look no further than Alphabet Train. Next up, we have Colors and Shapes, a delightful and colorful journey through the world of shapes and colors. This video is perfect for toddlers who are just starting to learn about these basic concepts. With its bright colors and catchy tunes, this video makes learning shapes and colors fun and engaging. Kids will love singing along and dancing to the beat as they learn about each shape and color. The repetition of the songs makes it easy for toddlers to remember what they've learned, and they'll soon be able to identify and sort shapes and colors with ease. Whether you're a parent or a teacher, this video is a great resource for early childhood education. So sit back, relax and let your kids explore the world of colors and shapes with this fun and educational video. Animal Sounds is a fantastic video for toddlers who are interested in the animal kingdom. This video is filled with fun and educational songs that teach kids all about different animals and the sounds they make. From dogs and cats to farm animals and jungle creatures, toddlers will learn all about the wonderful world of animals. The songs are catchy and easy to follow along with, making it a fun and interactive learning experience. Plus, the colorful animation and playful graphics keep kids engaged and entertained while they learn. Whether you're a parent or a teacher, Animal Sounds is a great resource for early childhood education. So turn up the volume and let your kids sing along as they learn all about their favorite animals. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to teach your toddler about numbers, then Number Fun is the perfect video for you. This delightful video is designed to make learning numbers easy and enjoyable for kids. With its colorful animation and catchy tunes, Number Fun makes learning numbers interactive and exciting. Toddlers will love singing along and counting as they learn about each number. The repetition of the songs makes it easy for kids to memorize the numbers and their corresponding amounts. Plus, the playful graphics and fun characters make learning numbers a breeze. So if you want to make learning numbers easy and fun for your toddler, then be sure to check out Number Fun. Your kids will thank you for it. This brings us to another amazing video called My 5 Senses. This delightful and interactive video is perfect for toddlers who are just starting to explore the world around them. My 5 Senses makes learning about the 5 senses of sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing fun and engaging for kids. With its bright colors, catchy tunes and playful animation, toddlers will love singing along and dancing to the beat as they learn about each sense. The repetition of the songs makes it easy for kids to remember what they've learned, and they'll soon be able to identify and explore the world through their 5 senses. Whether you're a parent or a teacher, My 5 Senses is a great resource for early childhood education. So sit back, relax and let your kids explore the world around them with this fun and educational video. Last but not least, we have Potty Training Time, a video that every parent has been waiting for. This delightful and engaging video makes potty training easy and fun for toddlers. With its catchy tunes, colorful animation and friendly characters, Potty Training Time makes learning about potty training fun and stress-free for both kids and parents. The video follows a group of adorable animals as they learn to use the potty, making it easy for toddlers to relate to and learn from. The repetition of the songs makes it easy for kids to remember what they've learned, and they'll soon be able to use the potty with confidence. Whether you're a parent or a teacher, Potty Training Time is a great resource for early childhood education. So if you're ready to start potty training your toddler, be sure to check out Potty Training Time. You and your little one will thank us for it. We hope that these videos were helpful and entertaining for your toddlers. If you enjoyed watching them as much as we enjoyed creating them, please don't hesitate to like, comment and share. We would love to hear your thoughts on these videos and how they have helped your little ones learn and grow. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our fun and educational content. We have so many more amazing videos coming up that you and your toddlers will love. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and learning, and we can't wait to see you and your toddlers in the next video. Now let us take a closer look at some of the fun and educational content that we have planned for the future. Our team of educators is constantly coming up with new and innovative ways to make learning fun and engaging for toddlers. One of our upcoming videos is called Colors, Shapes and Numbers, which is a fun and interactive way for toddlers to learn about colors, shapes and numbers. With its bright and colorful animation, catchy tunes and playful graphics, this video is sure to be a hit with toddlers everywhere. Another exciting video we have in the works is called First Words for Toddlers, which is designed to help toddlers learn their first words. This video will feature a variety of everyday objects and actions that toddlers will encounter, making it easy for them to learn and memorize new words. We're also working on a video called Nursery Rhymes and Songs for Toddlers, which will feature a collection of classic nursery rhymes and original songs that are perfect for toddlers. These songs will help toddlers develop their language and music skills while also providing them with hours of entertainment. In addition to these upcoming videos, we have a whole library of fun and educational content that you and your toddlers will love. From learning about the alphabet to exploring the world around them, we have something for everyone. We remain committed to providing quality educational content that will help your toddlers learn and grow while also keeping them entertained. Our team of educators and animators work hard to create videos that are both fun and educational, and we're constantly adding new content to our library. So be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest creations. We believe that learning should be fun and engaging for toddlers, and we're committed to making learning as easy as possible for them. With our fun and interactive videos, your toddlers will be learning without even realizing it. So if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to educate your toddlers, look no further than our channel. We have something for everyone. So sit back, relax and let your toddlers enjoy the show. And don't forget to like, comment and share so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and learning. We can't wait to see you and your toddlers in the next video.